Sometimes we'll find that after we've rough cross-cut our stock, it's just too wide to go on the jointer. So we kind of have to break the rules a little bit, and by that what I mean is we're just going to joint an edge first. That way we can go to the table saw and rip it down into a more manageable size. So what I'm going to do is instead of joining the face first, I'm just going to stand up my piece like this, and I'm just going to joint an edge, all right? Obviously I'm just going to use my hands, closed fingers of course, and I'm going to just kind of guide it through and straighten out an edge. I might need to run it through 2 or 3 times in order to get that accomplished, but that's okay. So I do it like this, turn it on. My next step, after I have just one straight edge, all right, I'm just going to set up my table saw and cut it down to 5 inches, all right? My finished width is 4.5, so I'm just going to give myself an extra ½ inch. So by doing this, I'll be able to go back to the joiner and start that squaring up process with a more manageable size. So it doesn't have to be exactly 5, it can just be close. I don't have to measure very precisely because this is just a rough cross cut. Pull my guard back down, all right? I'm definitely going to need my push stick for this operation. So just make sure that that's right. Don't forget to check that the height of the blade is correct. Make sure that the height of the blade is just barely above the thickness of the board. And I'll pull my guard back down. Turn it on. Line it up. Start to feed it.